The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Renault Clio are impossible to ignore, constantly reminding you about every small overspeed. This walkthrough shows you how to permanently silence them with BeepAway. The same steps work on any car with intelligent speed assist and a cabin USB port. BeepAway generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Renault. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. BeepAway supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Clio. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Renault Clio is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure wizard. After signing in, the Configure wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2024 for your Renault Clio. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number, so BeepAway can tailor the config file. On a Renault, the VIN plate is usually at the lower left of the windscreen. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. BeepAway is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Renault Clio 2024. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file, Renault Clio 2024 ISA config file, personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Renault Clio 2024 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like every new Renault, your Clio ships with intelligent speed assist that beeps whenever it thinks you're over the limit. It rearms every drive and often misreads signs or uses outdated data, so the warning beeps can become quite persistent. That's exactly what BeepAway silences, permanently, while everything else in your car keeps working perfectly. The configuration loads directly from your USB stick. BeepAway does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply pull the USB stick out whenever you like, and all the factory warning sounds will return. We used a Renault Clio in this demonstration, but the same BeepAway steps will work for any supported car. Owners of many brands are facing the exact same ISA warning beep problem. If you drive a 2024 Renault Clio, you're not alone. Owners everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Forum discussions and review comments highlight beeps on even slight overspeeds, settings that reset with every ignition, and menus that only offer temporary muting. That's why so many people are looking for a proper solution, and we'll answer a few common questions next. BeepAway loads a reversible configuration from the USB stick only while it's plugged in. Remove the stick, and your car instantly returns to its factory state. Nothing is permanently rewritten or modified. If warranty wording is a concern for your lease or country, please review your own specific terms. Yes, Renault Clio owners follow the exact same BeepAway process you just watched. To double-check compatibility before you order, simply enter your VIN on beepaway.com. You just need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes at home. No dealer visit, no complex coding tools, and no special cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration on Beepaway. Search Google for Beepaway, or navigate directly to beepaway.com to get started. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.